Hello, crafting community. I'm Travis, and this is Makerholic. Today, we're making cardboard Couters, elbow armor tailored to your arm size. Let's get into it. Tools. Scissors or knife. Hot glue. Marker. Straight edge. Measuring tools. Materials. Cardboard. Small rubber bands. Thick plastic bottle. The process. Measure the circumference of your arm at the elbow. Then, measure a strip of cardboard to this length. Mark the middle. Rub it for flexibility. Then tape the ends together. Don the loop and lay your arm flat, centered on the mark at the elbow. Then, mark at the widest point of the arm on both sides of the cardboard. They should be fairly even. Next, we make a rectangle. Take your arm's circumference and add 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters in British. This is your width. Measure your arm length and divide by 5 for the height. Use these numbers to draw and cut out your rectangle. Mark the middle on the center X and Y axis. Align the strip to the middle of your cardboard with the right and left on the right and left. Then mark the widest points from earlier. Draw vertically along these marks. Mark 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters out from the middle and draw vertical lines along these marks. Mark 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeters from the top and bottom. Then draw horizontal lines along these marks. Measure 1/2 inch or 1.3 centimeters up and down from the midpoint. Then draw horizontal lines along these marks. Mark 1/4 inch or 0.6 centimeters out from the top of the right inner vertical line. Mark where the outer vertical line and upper horizontal lines intersect. Draw a line between these marks. Continue to the inner horizontal lines. Repeat the process on the left side, then both bottom sides. Mark the center of the top. Then mark 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimeter to the left and right. Then, the intersections of the upper horizontal lines and the inner vertical lines. Draw lines between these marks as I do. Repeat on the bottom. Oops. Cut the cardboard out along the lines as I do. Careful not to cut past where the lines intersect.
Nice.
Bend upward along the vertical lines. I use a straight edge for precision. Bend upward along the outer horizontal lines. Carefully cut out the triangles at the top and bottom. Rub the wings for flexibility. Tape the cuts together, like so. Then, tape the wings together with 1/2 inch or 1.3 centimeters of overlap. Put her on. It should fit comfortably on a straight arm and allow you to bend inward. If you want steeper angles, widen the triangles. To tighten it, cut the wings shorter, but not too much. For mobility, cut evenly to narrow the 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter wings, but no further than to 1/2 inch or 1.3 centimeters. You'll have to start over for gentler angles. For a looser fit, use my splicing technique to extend the wings. Once you're satisfied with the fit, remove the tape. Gently open this edge so it can overlap slightly over the front. Carefully draw glue into the opening. Then, splice them together with the slight overlap on the front. Then reinforce with glue from the back. Repeat for the remainders. Cut the ends so they're flush. I have two ways to attach the wings. The easier one is to cut the wings so they overlap half an inch or 1.3 centimeters on the arm. Then, separate the cardboard half an inch or 1.3 centimeters deep on both wings. Dab the openings with hot glue and splice them together like so. Keep pressure on them until set. Tape the inside of the wings for added strength. Alright, the pros of this method are, it's easier. The cons are it's not a perfect fit and mobility is more limited. The second way is more effective and complicated. The left wing should be about 3.5 or 8.9 centimeters from the left outer vertical line. Cut the right wing about 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters from the body. Then, cut a cardboard strip the same width as the wings, but 4 inches or 10.2 centimeters long. Open one end of the strip half an inch or 1.3 centimeters deep. Then, do the same where you cut the right wing. Dab these openings with hot glue. And splice them together. Cut the bottle into several 1/4 inch or 0.63 centimeter wide and 3/4 inch or 1.9 centimeter long strips. Pull a piece of cardboard apart and cut a layer into 1/2 inch or 1.3 centimeter squares. Draw a 1/2 inch or 1.3 centimeter glue strip from the end on the right wing and place a plastic strip so 1/3 is unglued and facing toward the main body. Patch it with the glue and the cardboard squares. Do the same for the other side. Outline and then cut out a 2 inch or 5.1 centimeter wide by 1.5 inch or 3.8 centimeter tall rectangle. Orient the grain running this way. Outline the long wing down the middle. Carefully remove the top and middle layers outside of the outline. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Thoroughly rub the remainder flat. Then fold the wings over and firmly crease them. Fold the crease again a 1/4 inch or 0.64 centimeters outward on both sides. Excellent. Then cut in half like so. Rub the left wing flat. Then insert into one of the folded pieces like so, lining up at the end. Cut a piece of scrap cardboard the same width as the wings and insert it under the wing. It should fit loosely, allowing free movement back and forth. Glue these tabs down. Repeat the process directly next to this one, but make it slightly looser. Remove the scrap cardboard. Draw a 1/2 inch or 1.3 centimeter line, a 1/4 inch or 0.64 centimeters to the left from the middle of the left outer vertical line. Glue along this line, then place a strip of plastic over the glue and flush with the vertical line. Patch with cardboard. Mirror this across the vertical line. But this time, have the plastic overlap the other by 1/8 of an inch or 0.32 centimeters. This will act as a latch. Slip 2 rubber bands in there like so. Then slide the left wing through the loops and attach one rubber band to each side. This can take a while. For me, anyway. You can tape the inside of the wings now for added strength. If your rubber bands are loose, twist them or tie them off. I tied both of mine. It's unlikely they'll fit perfectly at first. If it's still loose, you can cut and splice together the right wing to shorten it. Similarly, you can cut and splice in a section to make the right wing longer. If it sticks when tightening, the cardboard loops may be too tight. Trim the sides or rub the cardboard loops flatter. Mirror these instructions to make the left Couter. And that's all for now. Comment any questions, song requests, or my next project. If you like my music, check out a link. And thank you very much for watching. You know what to do if you like my content. See you later. Hello, crafting community. Gotta get this take right. This is It Will Swap. What? This is It Will Swap.